Police constable shot and succumbed to injuries in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A policeman was shot dead in Johnson Penn, Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Tuesday afternoon. The deceased policeman has been identified as Constable Jermaine Brown. It is understood that the policeman was murdered while he was in his motor car. However, this has not been confirmed by the police. The police are currently processing the scene and will have more details to come in a later newscast. Continuing the news. 3 men were fatally shot and 3 firearms seized by the police in an alleged confrontation in Speculation Black River, St. Elizabeth late Tuesday afternoon. The police told reporters that the men were intercepted after they allegedly attempted to carry out a robbery in the area around 4:45 p.m. Up to the publication of this report, it's still understood that the police were still gathering evidence at the crime scene. We'll have more details to come on these stories in a later newscast. Thanks for watching. They also confirmed that he had checked in alone. It has also been confirmed that the dancehall entertainer before his passing had complained of not feeling well. Merciless, who celebrated his 51st birthday on July the 1st, was a dominant figure in the local music space in the 90s. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide with more information to come in our current affairs program, Let's Talk. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.